Eileen from Operation Blankets of Love. We're here at North Central, and today we're going to put some donated sweaters onto some dogs that are cold or sick to make them feel much better. And we're going to put one on this beautiful little French bulldog that's not feeling well. And Marissa's going to assist me, right? Here we go. Right. Yeah. There we go. And this is going to make her feel so comfortable and feel better. And she'll be able to rest more comfortably having a warm sweater. These are donated by the community. We have 40 drop-off locations. So if you can, please donate old or new sweaters or little jackets. And we have so many dogs that could use all this warm. Oh, is this adorable? This is adorable. Natalie's going to be nice. She's going to be nice and warm. Look at that. And thanks to you, the community. Operation